It's considerably colder here. Brake. Anyways, just wanted to show you the outline. And what we're going to do here is we're certainly going to get some video on the motorcycle here. I've got 2 cameras set up on the bike. Like I said, I just did a 50 miler. Went to the other side of Fish Lake. Beautiful riding. And of course, we got this other one set up here on the other side. But this is a beautiful bike, brand new. There was a $500 cash rebate on it. I couldn't pass it up. You know what I'm saying? It's the best price I'm going to get on this kind of bike. So it's a WR450F. It's a big boy. It's got a lot of power. I've had it up to 60 miles per hour. You know what I'm saying? I know it'll go a little faster than that. That's good for a dirt bike. You know what I'm saying? Very good. And as a matter of fact,